Let's get in. Let's get in. See what happened last week. Not a good week at all. Use video. Yeah, use video. Why? Not been a good week. Not been a good week at all. Got rugged by Powell, but let's see what's happening now. Literally got rugged by Powell. Okay. Got rugged by J. Powell. Got rugged by J. Powell. Not a good week at all. Okay, that thing comes again. Why? Always. Not been a good week. Not been a good week at all. Got rugged by Powell. But let's see what's happening now. Shut up. Okay, there it is. I am all shut up now. Everything was going well until Friday, until J. Powell came in. Said a lot of bad things. I can't believe he said it, but yeah. We got rugged and we are at very, very dangerous levels. This may probably change things unless we are to rebound this week. I don't know. Not counting on it, but it may happen, but who knows? Who knows? But I just want to show you the big picture first, okay, before you guys panic and throw everything away. Of course, you should have been taking profits before this, right? Because we always have to consistently take profits as we go up. That's just the way it is. So are we going through another cycle where we are going to DCA? Probably. So which is why, again, just getting out of the markets is something that's good, but let's see what the news is telling us. And also finance.yahoo.com. Telegraph, let me open the news here. Yes, and then let's see what is really going on now. But before that, I just want to show you the big picture of what is really happening now. But let me turn on my things first here. Let me turn on my things first, so that at least we are in sync. Oh yeah, we are in sync. Let me turn on news.google.com and let's see. Has Powell said anything this weekend? My God, but man, he shocked everyone. And what did I see here? Gardenia raises prices again. Yeah, right. So Ukraine starts to export wheat and Gardenia raises prices again. That's just great. That's just totally great. That is just totally great. Okay. J. Powell. Yeah, because J. Powell just blamed it. Yeah, just J. Powell is warning on inflation again, doing his thing again. Literally blaming this on inflation. So let's go and see what's happening here. Share screen. And I think this was the thing, right? Everything was going on well, I guess, until 10 o'clock, right? You guys were there. I guys knew that everything was literally going very well until 10. And he comes in and everything just literally dumps. Can we call it a crash? Maybe 3%. Yeah, 3% is quite big, you know. 3% is quite big. A crash even. Yeah, maybe you can call it a crash. I don't know. Maybe you can. Yeah, I guess you can call it a crash. Why not just call it a crash? So he sent us crashing. But anyway, those of you just looking at the long term, right? Go and get my course on Udemy. It's free on how to be a millionaire every 4 years, so that at least you don't worry about all these things. So I'm going to show you the road. The road is still long. Okay, there's my Udemy course there. There it is. There it is. So just go and get it, guys. So here it is. Our tools to forcefully attack inflation that is running near its highest level in 40 years. Higher interest rates will likely persist for some time. The historical record cautions strongly against prematurely loosening policies. So although we had some good news on the inflation last month, he doesn't think that is enough. Inflation may have peaked, but is not showing any marked signs of decline. Aha, so that's important. Fed will not be swayed by a month or two of data, so they need more, okay? Stern warning to halting inflation. This is the bad thing, some paid. This is bad. use our fool to forcefully attack inflation. This is even worse. So even with 4 consecutive interest rates increase totaling 2.25 percentage points, this is no place to stop or pause. Okay, so they're like neutral, right? So he probably wants to go a little bit higher with higher interest rates. So growth, softer labor market conditions will bring down inflation. I think what he's saying, this is the problem here. The market labor is not getting any more soft. I think this is the biggest problem here that they have. There are unfortunate costs of reducing inflation, but a failure to restore price stability would mean far greater pain. So he says, pay now. Pay now. Dow fell over 1,000 points. Like it didn't stop. It just did not stop in the afternoon. So although the S&P, the tech should be good in the afternoon, it never stopped. And that's the worry. Okay, we lost some really key technical levels, something that we have to really respect. Okay, we got to respect this. Okay. And let's see what's happening here. Yeah, 1,000 points, massive. That's 3.3%, S&P 3.37%. And look at the NASDAQ, almost 4%. That's big. It even hurts more because markets, I thought, were doing very well, at least the equity market. So it just shows you like everything will tend to converge because we had a situation where cryptos were not doing very well, but the markets were okay, and then suddenly everything rolled over. So that is what happens in a bear. You can't really trust it. Once bear market rallies are very strong, the bear market rally that we have. But once after that, when it's time to sell, I guess it's really time to sell and don't wait anymore. So this is, I think, going to be yes, it's going to be what we are going to face for the next several months. And that's okay, as long as you kind of understand what is going on, right? The problem is people don't understand what's going on, and they tell you a lot of things that are not true, and then you go in the market and then you get robbed, and that's never good, right? So just remember that bear market rallies are strong. There'll probably be another bear market rally. What do I think? I think we have to respect this. Having said that, I really do think that we have to respect this market now. It's not time to not respect the market, okay? And let's see the degree of technical damage that was damaged. I'm talking about the S&P here, okay? Let's go and see this. Let's go and see this. Bitcoin, of course, again, below 20K. Not really interested in Bitcoin, okay? Ethereum below 1.5. That's bad, but it is the S&P 500 that I'm worried about. Look at that. Crypto market capitalization without Bitcoin has, whoa, gone down heavily. This is Friday, guys. It was just dumped here and it was going up there to that trend line, and then it got dumped again. Wow. So that's never very good. Let's go to this now. Maybe now this is the trend line, right? Maybe. Is it that? Nah, it's there. Yeah, it's still there. So yeah. So yeah, now it looks like we are below this trend line again, struggling again. Didn't manage to break this. Very bad. But it is the S&P and the NASDAQ that I am most worried about because 20, yeah, below the 20. That's key. Below the 200 not. So the fact that this is below the 24152 is a matter of big concern here. And everyone's asking, do we go back here? Here, 3.9. Yeah, there, 3.9, right? 3.9. Do we go back there? That I think is basically the biggest issue now. Is this the low? So you can see the support here is probably here. And also here around 3.9. It seems like that. Where is this at? Let me show you this. I think this is at 3.9. Yeah, see, this is already around 3.9 here. So let's put something so that we don't forget that this is 3.9. And now we're going to have to redraw our charts again, probably starting next week, right? So it's there. And we all are wondering, yeah, what's going to happen on Monday, man? What is going to happen to the Malaysian markets? Let's see. For Malaysia, it may be different. Let's see this. Because Malaysia is kind of weird. We're going to have a budget, early budget, right? Early budget. But is this time for general election? Because if it's time for a general election, we may kind of escape this bear, right? Because general elections, especially leading to the general election, is bullish. So what's happening, Mr. Prime Minister? Are we going to have a general election? That is what we want to know in Malaysia, right? So we have bad news here from Powell. This is totally broken, guys. So if this is totally broken, all I can tell you is this. We can return here. And we can return to this level. And that will impact Bitcoin or Ethereum. It could be another chance for DCA. I hope you sold your bags already. I had already told my students to sell it last Monday, not tomorrow, the previous week's Monday. No, not even the previous week's Monday, sorry. Well, about 2 weeks ago, I said, hey, Monday is the best time to sell. Just load off some of the things, okay, and see what happens. So I hope they really did that, because you got to sell, guys. I mean, people are telling me like, no hopium, guys. This is a bear market. Can you make money in bear market? Yes, because you have a bear market rally like this. Look at this. This went from 3.6 to 4.3. That's a lot. 3.6 to 4.3 is what? What's 3.6 to 4.3? What's 3.6 to 4.3? Let's see. 4300 minus 3600, 700 divided by 3600. That's like 19%. So this shows you what happens in a bear market rally. That bear market rally during bears are strong. Okay, so we're gonna have probably more of this. Let's look at the NASDAQ now. Everything broke down, you know, everything literally broke down. Look at the NASDAQ. But I love this. Now I can go back in. Now I can go back in. I'm just gonna follow this, man. I'm just gonna follow this. Yeah, like there. Hey, hello. Come back. Wherever you are. And 12.4, right? So now we're at 12.6. Hey, 12.4 is not far from 12.6. So that is kind of like the NASDAQ. Again, we are literally, oh, this is good. We're literally returning to this golden pocket, which is good. Doesn't mean I'm always right, but I kind of like a lot of confluence back into the golden pocket here, which is 12.2, 12.4 here. That seems nice, okay? So we really got to respect this, and don't be surprised if we go down some more, because serious technical damage has been done. I'm going to look at the RSI now. How come I don't have the RSI here? Yeah, I see the RSI here at least. Let me get this out of the way. I'm just gonna add some more here, right? I don't know why this is weird. I need a new computer, guys. I seriously need a new computer here to get this out. This and this and this and this. RSI. I just want to see the relative strength index here. Okay, get out of here. Oh, we're not there yet. Okay, this is a concern. You kind of like want to go here. You kind of like want to go here. You kind of like want to go here. Okay. Still have some time to go. Let's look at the S&P 500 here. And I'm just going to put here RSI. Again, RSI. We love this. Not RSI strategy. So we still have ways to go down to. So just be careful of that. Okay, just be careful of that. No, this is not the golden pocket. This is just my kind of my support level at 3.9 before we go down to 3.6, which is like total catastrophe. So let's see what's happening on Bitcoin. So you really want to look at the NASDAQ and really want to look at this. I'm even looking at currencies, right? I mean, my GBP USD, which I thought would go up, was kind of doing fine in going up until this hit, which is really silly. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here. I'm just going to show you what happened to GBP USD because, you know, it's gone down by quite a lot. So I was thinking of a punt here. I don't want to see this. Oh, come on. Let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah, let's go here. Look at that. Went to 1.19. Wow. And then just dumped to 1.1745. Look at that. It was going up, you know. This is fun, guys. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Look at that. Literally going up. This is like 9:30. This is like 9. This is like 10, right? It went up and then it just went straight down. And this is the problem here. It just went straight down. It just went straight down. And when you have something like that, that is kind of a dangerous candle, okay? Because it just didn't want to go up because people just did not want to commit before the weekend, okay? That's a dangerous candle. There are dangerous candles and there are tricky candles, okay? This is very dangerous, but again, when you look at this, let's look at GBP here. I know this is for us, but everything counts, you know, we just want to make money where we kind of want to make. I'm going to start traveling again next weekend. And then, of course, it's like travel and trading again. And why not? And when we trade, it's not only cryptos, it's a lot of things. And we already started our options course so that we can trade with very little money. See, I was thinking of going in there, but got rugged again. I guess this is good. I'm going to look at this tomorrow. What's happening on Bitcoin? There's no point to go to Bitcoin, guys. So you see when there's a bear, I don't even bother looking at Bitcoin, right? Because there's no point. I don't like to see things where there's no point. Fix the S&P first. US dollar index goes down, things will fix themselves. So let's see what's happening on Bitcoin, only on the news, not even looking at the charts, not interested. Why are you down? Bullish setups on verge of a breakout. Yeah, but then we lost it, right? Bunch of nothing Powell speech, but it's also this Mt. Gox rumors. So there's a lot of Mt. Gox rumors. They're supposed to release 130,007 BTC at this level now, right? So that has spooked a lot of people. Fears over a sell-off by users of defunct exchange Mt. Gox added to price pressures. But here's the thing. Not all of 137,000 are going to be released. Not all. Bag full of your favorite alts. Yeah, not all of it is going to be released. There it is, guys. There it is, guys. Oh, okay. So you want to see my Udemy course? Go in there, okay? Go in there, go in there, go in there. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to just tell you my Udemy course. And because people feel rich when they go here. Yeah. So again, just respect. Yeah, just follow the chef, guys. Follow the chef. He's right. Just respect the lines, okay? I know it's painful, but we got to respect the lines. We got to respect the lines. Okay, just get into my Udemy course here, right? So anyway, this is already bad, but it's not going to be released all at once. They got it below 500. So that's a 40 times return. So I don't blame them if they sell, you know. I would sell at least some of it. I'd sell half, seriously. Seriously, if I were in Mt. Gox and I get it, I'd sell half. But here's the thing. It's not all 137,000 tomorrow. It's starting the repayment process. It's just starting the repayment process. I think it's only 37,000. It will take months to get it, which is why when Bitcoin goes up, don't be surprised if it goes down because the guys from Mt. Gox will just sell. You would sell too if you get it at 500, right? The resulting would not create the kind of apocalyptic event some imagine. I'm not. So again, if it's not, but they're not getting the full thing. So everything's unwarranted. It's all FUD, but that's not what I'm concerned about. That's not what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about the S&P. Seriously, guys, I'm not even concerned about this. Older coins, what's happening here? I'm not really concerned about Bitcoin here. I'm really concerned about the S&P 500, not about Bitcoin. S&P to 39 and NASDAQ to my support where I can go in and buy some more. Okay, buy again, not buy. I've sold my bag, but buy again. Let's see this. What else? So again, MakerDAO co-founder recommends DAI USD depegging. Okay, cool. Inflation hedge, not yet. Hot stories, 5 cryptocurrencies. Yeah, loses 20K on bunch of nothing Powell speech. Yeah, he said it again, but he said it with such a force. So imagine, here's the thing, guys. This Powell speech is so important. Remember, if we fail to turn next week, I'm going to see you guys at 3.9, okay? With price target now as low as 16K, okay, fine. Fair if the S&P goes to 3,009, I tend to agree. Fresh targets on after it briefly fell below 20K. 19,945 after hawkish comments from US Federal Reserve, because this means US dollar index goes up, intraday losses 9%, and US state equities cratered 3%, right? So again, will take time, requires our tools forcefully to bring demand and supply into better balance. And this is the thing, bear market rallies are strong, but then the Fed comes in and stops it. And you will see this again. There are a lot of reasons for it to go up, but then if it go up, this will be pressed down again. And watching Powell say a bunch of nothing, but it just, yeah, he said nothing, but hey, it still went down and we got rubbed. And that's the thing now, okay? Relief bounce followed by even heavier losses. BTC went lower than expected, but idea is still the same. First up to liquidate late shorts, then down, okay? Relief target 23.5 downside. Yeah, I think 23.5 is the highest downside. 19 and 16 are now in play. That is fair. 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 Yeah, maybe it does like this. Even if it goes here, guys, if you cannot stand it or if you don't want to be patient, get out. Just get out. Okay. If you were, especially if you were DCA below 20, you guys should have got out 2 Mondays ago. Okay, a potential bounce, relief running to the weekly open near 23 before June 17.6. So that's it. Okay, 23, and DXY wakes up again, and it was asleep. GBP USD was going fine, and then it just rugged it again. Yeah, and then it just went down. You know, after the CPI was just good because core CPI, the PCE, was it? The PCE was a good number. And the US dollar went down, the GBP, the euro all went up, and then suddenly Powell had to come in and spoil everything. Fed staying course means yes, as well maintain its trend, which means asset trend down more. Yes, that is true. So again, look at the DXY and all that, which is what I said. You really don't have to look at Bitcoin here. Keep an eye on the DXY. All major bottoms in BTC have coincided with local tops in DXY. So if you see this, are we at a local top? That's it. If we have a local top here, BTC is local bottom. But if the S&P is going to go down to 3,009, DXY is going to go up some more, and it's not going to be our relief kind of thing. Let's see the DXY here, right? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we can this be the top? Yes, but it can also break it, right? It's monthly. Let's see weekly now, so that we can see how many challenges this is now. See, we're not even looking at BTC, guys. Don't waste your time. Even in our trading class, are we looking at BTC and Ethereum? Yes, but we're also looking at other things. There it is. So this is key on Monday. Is it going to break that? Is it going to break that? I'm just asking if they have options here. I didn't find out. I'm going to find out on Monday. I don't know why I didn't do this. I'm going to find out on Monday whether my platform has options. Okay, I don't mind. I really don't mind because, you know, once it tops and once it goes down, it can go down very, very fast, right? So let's see what it is. So here's the thing. Go on Monday, but remember that Malaysia could be in a different zone because our general election. Let's see what CoinDesk has to say today. Nothing much. Grayscale, Scale, Sales, Crypto, XLM, ZEC. Whoa. Zen, maybe securities. Wow. Wow. Really? Stellar Lumens. Wow. Zcash. Ooh, okay. Ethereum could get kicked off cloud host that powers 10% of crypto network. What is that? What's happening here? Coinbase pledges to evaluate fork Ethereum tokens and update to merge policy. Okay, so Hobby, okay, this is no good again for Ethereum. But again, see, now we have all the bad news about Ethereum because bad news comes out. Before that, we had all good news about Ethereum because the good news comes out. This is what I said to you. Don't waste your time reading all this crypto news. Read it related to the main markets, okay? You'll have a better time there. And then you just put it into BTC and trade it BTC or Ethereum, and then you should be okay, okay? So inflation battle may be painful. So next week is very, very key. I'm just going to see what's going to happen on next week. Okay, let's see Forex Factory. Now, what is happening here? Let's go and see here. And to my students, yeah, please read your notes. They're very interesting notes. Now we know more about the market. It's time to trade nowadays because I like this going down. It is really time to trade. We're just finding the optimum time because if it's going up, I don't like it, you know, because it's always the risk of a rug. Now that a rug has happened, we got to find the local bottom for this trade up. You can, of course, also short. It is up to you. You guys know you want to buy, it's call, you want to sell, it's put. Let's see what's happening now. Nothing on euro, USD. Oh, consumer confidence. Okay, Tuesday. I get that. 31st is Malaysia's Independence Day. Good. They respect us. There's nothing here. Non-farm employment chain. Okay, this is going to be key because Friday is non-farm payrolls. I bet that Friday is not. Yes, this is key, guys. This is key. Wednesday. This is key. This is key. Yeah, get all this before all this trading is suspended, guys. Seriously, guys. Yeah. The fork, it may be suspended during the fork and you can't do anything on your ETH, guys. Thank you, Chef. Yeah. You might, if you want to sell, you better sell now or whatever, unless you have to keep throughout the fork. That is up to you. Okay. You might not be able to sell then. Be careful because it's coming soon. September 15th, right? I don't know when they're going to start suspending. You better start looking at all that. But next week, Friday is key. And this is also key here. This one, ADP non-farm employment chain, because this will usually tell you about what is going to happen to non-farm payroll, which has been hot. We need it to go down, okay? This, another one, CB, consumer confidence and all that. So it is looking like a very, very key week. Let's see whether we have an event here. Follow all this, okay? Follow my socials and all that. And there's nothing. Yeah, what else do we have here? Just gonna go here. I just want to see what you are here. Let's see the fear index, fear and greed. Now I'm going to show you something, which is why 4th is the start, guys. 4th September is the start, guys. So yeah, 4th September, let's see, Ethereum 4. Yeah, be careful, guys. 4th September is the start. So you really do not have more time. Okay, Sunday, they're going to start and you better get it out by this Saturday. Okay, thank you, Chef. Again, 2 stages, start the 4th, then around the 15th. Okay, so again, yeah, just read all this support for post-merge, but they may stop things then. Most likely stop things then. Assume they will stop things then. So again, Sunday is your deadline. I'd be out by Friday. Seriously, if you have Ethereum, you just get out unless you want to hold it. And then there's a risk. There's a risk. What if it goes down some more? What if the S&P goes down to 3,900? You are toast. You're seriously toast, guys. Unless you want to be toast, and that's okay if you want to be toast. You know? Let's see this. I like this investor sentiment because I like this. I'm worried about this. This is what I'm not so worried about Bitcoin. Look at where Bitcoin is. The fear and greed index. Let's just go and take a look at this. Okay, it's at 28. So it's really been fear for so long. I mean, it's really been fear that I'm fed up of this fear. Okay, we're here. 25, 28, we were here before, the longest ever in our history. Never even hits 50. I thought it would hit 60. So again, it's not been able to hit our preferred level and then it dumps again. But this is what I fear the most. Our fear is still here for the markets. Look, we're here. This is not good. This is not good, okay? I'm like, seriously, this is not good. This is not good. But that means that the fear has not veered yet. You wanted extreme fear, and then you're ready to go up, right? That's just the way it is. Can I see the timeline here? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at June. Where was June? No, this is the end, right? June, it was 14. It was 14. See that? Extreme fear. This is when this is basically the bottom. The bottom was here when it was 15. So I kind of don't like it. You like it here? Yeah, around there, right? So now it's still high. That is my worry. So it's telling me that if it doesn't turn, we're in big trouble. It has to turn this week, or we are in really, really big trouble, okay? That is what these things tell me. That's why I take a look at it, okay? So again, that's it for now, and we might come back during non-farm payroll on Friday, guys. We might come back. Of course, we're going to come back this Friday during non-farm payroll. Let's see how it is. What are we looking for? Well, interesting. It is an interesting week. And I want to show you something else. I want to show you some good news before you guys go. Some really, really good news, okay? And I've summarized it already for my students. What are we waiting for? I want to see this week if we rebound. I don't think so. Because if not, I'm just going to get ready for 3009 on the S&P. When it goes to 3009 on the S&P, I'll be buying the S&P and NASDAQ. If we rebound this week, I am looking for a low number on the jobs so that Powell doesn't say there's more pain. Low number on the job. And I am looking whether BTC can hold. And I'm looking this, right? And if you haven't sold your Ethereum, as I told you, you better sell it because of the ETH merge. Now, having said that, in all this doom and gloom, I just want to show you a big chart here, which is very important right here. And I'm going to show it again on Friday in our early show, as if we have an early show on Friday. Look at this, guys. This is a fact. This is what you call a secular bear. Is that 1940? Wow. This was another secular bear, 1970s. And this was another secular bear, 1999, right? Or 2000 until the end of that financial crisis. This is what, 2012? I think this is 2013, right? 2013. Now look, secular bears, the market can fall 50 to 60%. Look at this. After a secular bear, there's a 20-year bull, secular bull, 20-year secular bull, all around there. Now, if you put here 20-year secular bull, this bull market is only going to end in 2033, which means if the Bitcoin halving cycle is happening on 2024, we probably have another peak by 2030. And after that, I don't think so. That's just my opinion, okay? I'm just looking at the secular bull markets. So it seems like Bitcoin came out at the right time during the start of the secular bull market. This is good. What does this mean? That means there's another cycle by 2030. I may not be teaching that. I keep on emphasizing this, but will I trade it? Definitely yes. So there is still some rounds for you to make money. Can you still make $1 million there? Yes. Please go to my Udemy and just take the damn course, okay? Because this is the bigger picture of all of things. And I think that insofar as I'm planning my life, I'm just planning my life to this. I'm doing things based on this, okay? Once we go into the secular bear for 10 or 12 years or 15 years, I'm just ain't going to be there. All I know, there's Vision 2026 and this Vision 2030, okay? And I'm going to leave you with that. And I'm going to see you guys on Friday again. And we will get through this again. So you want to plan your life now, you better do it now, guys. There are 2 rounds coming up. Just look at this. I mean, just look at this. Unless you don't want to believe all this, unless you don't believe the data, but look at what happens in the bear. Because after 2030, 2032, which is why I said there's not going to be another one in 2034. I'm so sorry. 2030 is your last time. Look at that. It just doesn't go anywhere. Like, it's just like, it just doesn't go anywhere. You don't want to be there. You want to get in now. I'm going to see you guys on Friday, guys. Okay, any other questions? That's it for now. Thank you very much. And I am going to see you guys on Friday. See you for non-farm payroll. Hopefully, let's see the results then. And I'm going to run some trades. Just follow my Twitter, okay? Follow my Twitter, Inukshuk. Some of you have asked what platform I do it on. I will leave you a message there. Just follow my Facebook if you want to sign up. Twitter is what? Twitter.com, Inukshuk, Twitter.com. So I might run some things there. Yeah, bags. Yeah, correct. Yeah, see, Chef is doing it right. Don't look at Bitcoin now, guys. There's no point. We've proven it. You know what we've proven? We've proven at this time, look at the S&P. Doesn't matter. And then you trade Bitcoin with that. And that worked very fine. So we're going to have to do it again. We do it again. It's coming. And for my students, I'm summarizing the TLDR of yesterday's great presentation, right? Because we now know the seasonal. Just play that, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. Twitter.com, Inukchuk, follow that. I might leave some trades there. I'm looking at GBP USD, okay? But I play it a different way than you guys. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong to look at S&P. Nothing wrong to look at GBP USD. Nothing wrong to look at NASDAQ, especially the NASDAQ. And then you translate that into trades of Bitcoin and alts. That is actually what you should do. Thanks very much, guys. See you later. Bye.